will create a variable, private form, main form. And login form will also take a parameter of form. This will be the form that will be shown after the login is successful. So main form equals form. And also create another variable, private login client. And we will initialize it here. Client equals new login client. And we can just go ahead and set the button click events here. btn login.click plus equals btn login underscore click, and btn register.click plus equals btn register click. And now let's create our callback method, private void process complete headers header and error codes error. Now head up to btn login click and write client.login txt username.text txt password.text and process complete. And with btn register we will write register form, reg form equals new, register form will have this separated, reg form dot show dialog and reg form dot dispose. We can also have, actually let's use using statement. Using register form, reg form equals new reg form dot show dialog. It'll auto dispose for us. Now down in process complete, this will be for logging in. This will be the callback for logging in. Now if invoke required, invoke new process complete del process complete, and the parameters will be header and error and return. Now if the header is not equal to login, just return. Now if error equals error codes.success messagebox.show string.format welcome, and our argument will be txt username.text. Main form.show and hide our login form. Else string message equals an empty string. Switch error case error codes.invalid login. Message equals the username / password combo does not match records. And break case login codes.error message equals an unknown error has occurred. Please try again later. And break. Message box.show message box button said OK, message box icon.error. So let's review what we did so far. If invoke is required, meaning it's trying to it needs to be brain fart. Now, if it's attempting to make changes to the control, but it's created on a separate thread, we have to invoke so that the code will be executed on this thread. Then after that, we check and see if the header is not equal to login. If it's not, then return. If it's successful, we'll welcome our user and then we'll show the form. If not, we will show the error message based on whichever one it is. And now that we have logging in all set up, let's head over to registering. And actually first, something I forgot. Highlight both of the text boxes and make the max length 30 characters. Same thing in the register form. Slight OCD. Okay, back on topic. 30. Okay, now, and I didn't name that. Just name it to btn register. btn register.click. Now, if txt password.text not equal to txt confirm.text, messagebox.show, passwords do not match. And we also need to pass the login client, private login client, login client, start client equals client. Now go back to the login form and just pass client. Now back down here, client dot, actually, I forgot, create our callback, private void, process complete, headers, header, error codes, error. Now client dot register, txt username dot text, txt password dot text, and process complete. Now the same as we did with login, if invoke required, invoke new process complete del, process complete, header and error. Return. Now if header not equal to headers.register, return. If error equals error code.success, messagebox.show, registration successful. You may now log in. Messagebox button is like OK, messagebox icon dot information, and then just close and return. Else if error equals error codes dot exists, messagebox dot show, username already exists. Please choose another. Else And that seems to be it. Let's go and just review this. And now we have our client set up. We're on the home stretch. Now all we have to do is test it out.